In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe to Typeform. This is a valuable skill that can help you manage payments seamlessly through your forms. Whether you're collecting payments for an event, selling products, or even accepting donations, integrating Stripe with Typeform can significantly simplify things for you. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video because we have more great tutorials coming your way. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to typeform.com. If you're not logged in yet, no worries, just enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, take a look around at your forms. You should see a list of all the forms you've created. This is where you get to decide which form you want to connect with Stripe. Choosing the right form is an important step because the integration will enhance its functionality greatly. After you've selected the form you'd like to use, go ahead and click on it. This will open the form editor, where the magic happens. You can make adjustments, change the layout, or add different types of content to your form. Now let's go ahead and add Stripe. Look for the Add Content button. It's usually quite prominent in the editor. Click on it. This option lets you incorporate various elements into your form, including question types, images, and of course, payment options. Now in this Addition section, you'll want to find and click on the Payment option. By selecting this, you're basically telling Typeform that you want to add a payment gateway, which is crucial for collecting payments effectively. So make sure you choose this option. Once you click on Payment, you'll be prompted to connect with Stripe. Look for a button that says Connect or something similar, typically sitting next to the Stripe logo. Go ahead and click on this Connect button. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. This action will redirect you to the Stripe platform. If you have an existing Stripe account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. But if you're starting fresh, you can create a new account right there. Make sure you follow all the necessary steps for either logging in or making a new account. After you've successfully logged in or set up your account, Stripe will ask for your permission to link it with Typeform. This is perfectly normal and a security measure to ensure both platforms can communicate properly. Once you've granted the permissions, you should be redirected back to Typeform. At this point, you should see a confirmation that your accounts are now linked. And there you have it. Congratulations! You've successfully linked Stripe to Typeform. This integration means that any payments made through your Typeform will be processed efficiently via Stripe. This is a huge win for you and your responders, as it provides a secure and smooth payment experience. Now remember, this setup can be a powerful tool. You're saving yourself a lot of time and effort by collecting payments directly through your Typeform. Should you ever need to disconnect or make adjustments to your Stripe configuration, you can revisit the payment settings in your Typeform editor. This level of flexibility means that as your needs evolve, your forms can evolve with them. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. With Stripe and Typeform working together, managing payments has never been easier. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to check out our other tutorials